Hello folks, today we're going to be installing these LED headlights in our 99 Jeep XJ. These are from Amazon. They are a plug and play, so we shouldn't need an LED flasher, but we will find out. Let's get started. Alright folks, so let's get these open and see what we get. We get a set of instructions here, and there are the headlights. They come with the harness and then a spare harness, probably for extended length, or if you have flashers or whatnot, relays. And that appears to be it. So let's get these installed and we'll be right back. All right folks, so we have two Phillips screws here, and this is going to take our bezel off. All right, so we have that. Put that off to the side. And then we have a trim ring right here, and we need to get that off, and that looks like they are Phillips as well. Don't want to lose those screws. There's one. There's another. See if there's another down here. And it looks like someone put a flathead screw in here, which tells me somebody. So let me grab a flathead. Looks like somebody has been in here. There we go. That off to the side. And then right here is our harness for the headlight. Get that unplugged. Right there. Get that off to the side. Alright folks, we ran into a little bit of a snag. Thankfully, my wife was helping here because she tends to read directions a little better than I do. And thank God we stumbled onto something. The issue we were having is when we would turn, when I had both of the new LED headlights in, when we would turn them on, this one here was dim, and then when she would turn the high beams on, it would completely go out. The other one was working. So what we discovered is these are not just extenders. These actually play a part if you're having problems. And as you can see here on the directions, it says, if connections are secure and problem persists, it means the wiring configuration of this LED headlight is not matching up with your stock harness. You need to use the offered adapter to repin the wires. And it gives a description here on how to do it, and a no light situation and so forth. So what we discovered is what we needed to do is use this harness in our current situation. The red is on the right, the white is on the left, and then the ground is the ground, the black on the top. and that switched over the wiring to get a signal to this light. So what I'm gonna do is, because I had to use this and I don't want these falling out or touching metal once they're installed, I'm gonna tape these up. I'm gonna get these back in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some dielectric grease inside the harness. And what this is gonna do is keep moisture out, keep it clean. And I'm just gonna stick it right in there like this. And that should be good enough. All right, folks, before we button this back up, I just wanted to show you what we did real quick. We took some heat shrink here and we put it over those 3 connectors. To me, they're not loose in there, but it is, they are exposed to where they could probably shake loose and fall out or something. So we put some heat shrink around there, used our little mini torch, shrunk it up, and then we wrapped electrical tape out of there, and that should keep as much moisture as it's gonna keep out of there. I wanted to show you that screw right here. That is, I believe, a T15 Torx. And what that's gonna do is, once you get these installed and you're all set and ready to adjust them, that will adjust your in and out sideways. And then above here is another one, and that one is gonna adjust your up and down. I'm gonna probably take some WD-40 to that before I finish putting these in so I can turn those easier. All right, folks, so we got this buttoned up. Pretty simple to do, just follow along. Unless somebody's been in your Jeep and switched wiring around, it should be the same configuration, but it'll be something you'll have to play around with those adapters. So I'm gonna turn on the headlights, show you the low beams, the high beams, and do that now. Low beams, high beams. Well, I hope this video helps, folks. Please check out our other videos. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll include our email in the link below. And you can email us with any questions for this video, other videos. And that's a wrap for here. God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.